Hi, I'm Norma. Welcome to my low carb channel. Here I help people who are struggling with carbs and sugar go from feeling overweight and sluggish to feeling really good in their own skin simply by eliminating sugar and carbs in their diet so they can have a healthier lifestyle. So make sure to hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn easy to follow, low carb, sugar-free recipes that won't spike your blood sugar and that the family will love. So in today's episode, what we're doing is creating a low carb chicken casserole. It's kind of an open-faced chicken and enchilada casserole. So on this channel, you're going to find that I bring you along with me when I have an idea, and sometimes I've never done it before, but if it comes out, you're going to see it. If it works, sometimes it's a flop and I don't videotape it, but today was one of those episodes. I wanted to create a chipotle sauce that was high protein. I also do that as well. All my recipes will be low carb, sugar free, but they will also try and incorporate high protein because I am trying to lose fat and build muscle at the same time. So we will do a high protein sauce today, a Chipotle Crema, that's going to go on top of our open-faced chicken enchiladas. All right? Hey, so let's get started. We're going to start by creating our Chipotle Crema, and we're going to start with 3 chipotle peppers in adobe sauce. That comes in a can, and then 1 cup of chicken broth, and a cup of plain Greek yogurt. This is where the high protein comes in. A heavy pinch of salt and a heavy pinch of pepper. You're going to blend that well until the chipotle peppers are blended really, really fine, and you don't even notice any of the skins anymore. And then to a bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of shredded chicken. I used rotisserie chicken here. And then you're going to add a portion of the sauce. I only used maybe a cup. You probably didn't even need that much. And you mix it well. And then in a separate frying pan, this one's about 8 to 9 inch frying pan, you spray with a little bit of oil, and then place your favorite low carb tortilla or low carb wrap in there. This is a high fiber, low carb tortilla. You can use even an egg white wrap would work well here. And then you're going to separate your chicken in half into 2 portions. And the first portion, half of the chicken mixture, is going to go on top of that low carb tortilla. And you're going to spread it out evenly across the whole tortilla. And then you're going to sprinkle it with some mixed cheddar cheese. This is a little bit of cheddar and mozzarella cheese. And then on top of that, you're going to go ahead and place another tortilla. And you're going to finish your layering with the rest of the chicken until it's evenly distributed across the whole pan and the whole tortilla. And then on top of that, you're going to add a little bit more sauce. I just gave it maybe a few more tablespoons of sauce, and it left me with about a half a cup left, and I just put that in the refrigerator and used that for later. Sprinkle the rest, the remaining cheese on top of that, and then your favorite toppings. I went ahead and put some pickled jalapenos and some black olives as well. You can choose to use whatever your favorite toppings are. And then you bake it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. Then you slice it up and you serve it in individual pieces, and I even sprinkled some fresh cilantro over the top of it. Enjoy.